a ricotta cake. I'm Rachel's sister Maria, the baker in the family, and I am making a ricotta cake. It's a really thick, moist cake. It's a cross between a cheesecake and a cake. So we have ricotta that's being drained, berries, butter, flour, sugar, zest and juice of a lemon, baking soda, salt, vanilla, eggs. It's lightly sweet, it's so moist, it's ridiculously easy, one bowl, foolproof, and impressive. First thing, oven on 350, spring pan, 9-inch spring pan. You're gonna cut a piece of parchment to put in the bottom, lightly grease the inside walls of the pan. Stand mixer. You're gonna start by creaming the butter and the sugar. It's gonna take a minute. You have to really get it together, make it creamy. Make sure all the sugar's off the bottom. Gonna add the ricotta, which definitely drain the ricotta. This has been draining for about an hour. Again, mix until smooth and creamy. It's okay to really beat it. You want to get everything off the whisk. Add the eggs, the vanilla, the juice and zest of a lemon. Start off slow or it will blow up on you. Just a minute until creamy. Add the flour, baking soda and salt. It's messy. Start off slow. That's it, that's nice and creamy. The batter will have the consistency of like a coffee cake batter. It won't pour like cake and it will not be as thick as cheesecake. So it'll be something in between. Okay, gonna take it out. I have strawberries. Any berry will do. Any fruit that you like the taste of. You don't have to use fruit. You can omit the fruit. This is fabulous on its own, but it's just a little bit prettier, I think. Half of it. Ugh. It's heavy. Half of the batter. I've hulled and halved some berries. I'm gonna put a few in. If you're using them, it's fun. Not too many because you'll make the batter too wet, but it is fun because it'll act like confetti when you cut the cake. And it's pretty. Rest of the batter. Smooth it out. A few more berries. Again, for no other reason than it's pretty. You're gonna bake 350 for about 50-55 minutes. It's gonna have the consistency. It's not going to wiggle like a cheesecake, but it's also not gonna spring back like a cake. So when it's firm, when it's really firm to the touch and golden brown is when it is done. When the cake is completely cooled, and I mean completely cooled, then release it from the pan. It will react like a cheesecake, so don't take it out of the pan until it's really room temperature. This is really rich. You don't need large pieces. There we go. It's pretty with the fruit in there. The tartness of the berry, the tangy of the berry, will complement the sweet ricotta, and it is really delicious. Enjoy.
And that's Maria dropping the mic in Tuscany with strawberries from our backyard. Boom!